Hey guys, okay, so Fortnite Halloween costumes are gonna be the #1 costume 2018 because the game is so popular. So for today's video, we wanted to show you guys Fortnite skins in real life so you guys can wear them for Halloween costumes, for cosplay. We're gonna show you guys where we got everything, how we DIY'd it for our costumes for ourselves and for our kids. So let's get started, and if you guys happen to know who I am, comment below. So there are so many Fortnite skins out there, we had a really hard time choosing which costumes to be for Halloween, so we decided to go with a few of the easier Fortnite costumes to put together. First up is Cuddle Team Leader. Thankfully, we didn't have to DIY this costume because it was already put together for us. We actually found it at Spirit Halloween. The jumpsuit has a bear hood, or you can opt to purchase the mascot head separately. We also grabbed these gold high tops from Kohl's to complete her outfit. And Devin actually said her costume was super cozy and comfy, which is awesome if you're actually gonna go trick-or-treating. Now we can't forget about the harvesting tools because Spirit Halloween just released a bunch of them, including Rainbow Smash, which was way easier to buy than trying to DIY it. Next up is Battlehawk, and this was the hardest costume to DIY by far. The individual pieces were hard to find, but I think we got pretty close. We actually ended up borrowing military boots from a friend, and we grabbed our military pants and knee pads at a military wholesale store in our area. We grabbed the gun holster, the gloves, and the tattoo sleeves at the Halloween costume store, but the vest had us stumped. Definitely the hardest part to try to match exactly to Battlehawk. We ended up purchasing a Thor costume, and the last touch is an eye patch. Another Fortnite costume available at Spirit Halloween this year is Dark Voyager, but first we've got to show you this. It's a legit boogie bomb. The Dark Voyager costume comes with a helmet with a lifting visor and is decked out in reflective orange, which I think is great for little ones who want to trick or treat in it. It also comes with the boot covers and the gloves to complete the costume. Last up is Teknique, my Fortnite costume that we DIY'd, and I think we got pretty dang close. So first up, we started with a pink wig from Amazon. We also grabbed a turquoise hat from Amazon and used white vinyl to iron on the tilted logo. Next comes the paint swatches. We actually did buy fabric paint, but decided to actually use stretchable vinyl to make our paint swatches instead. Way easier to control the colors, the placement, and we knew the colors wouldn't bleed into each other, but you could definitely still use fabric paint too. The hoodie, turquoise shirt, and purple capris are all from Amazon. The only thing I couldn't bring myself to do was ruin a pair of shoes with paint. So I used my gray Nikes to finish off the look. However, I'm still on the lookout for cheap kicks I can paint to make this look perfect the rest of the way. And the last thing to finish off this outfit was the graffiti mask. So Spirit Halloween has a few different Fortnite Halloween costume options. However, they grossly underestimated how many to manufacture because most of the items are already back ordered. So if you want any of the Fortnite costumes or Fortnite accessories that we showed in this video or on their website, make sure that you order ASAP. I will link you below to everything we DIY'd and the costumes we showed you that are ready to order in this video below in the YouTube description as well. All right guys, that's our video, but we're not done yet. Our friends from the Daya Daily is gonna show you even more Fortnite costumes for Halloween, makeup looks, everything that you guys can do, and even more characters that we didn't share here. So head over to her video right now. I will link you guys to it, and it'll pop up in just a second in the corner of your screen. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let us know below if you want us to do more DIY Fortnite skins so you guys can wear them for cosplay or Halloween. All right, bye guys.